Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft this delicious cake in Minecraft. So in order to do this, first I will need to gather a few of the resources, and let me show you the crafting recipe really fast, and after that I will explain all of the resources. So we'll need 1 egg, 2 times sugar, 3 times wheat, and also the milk bucket, which is needed 3 times. So now let's get to our workbench. Place 3 times milk on top, like this, 1 egg in the middle, 1 sugar on the left and 1 sugar on the right. But I didn't take 1 more sugar, so let's just do that. So again, 3 milks on top, 1 egg in the middle and 2 sugars on both of the sides. Now the wheat on the bottom, and that way we'll get this delicious cake. So let's place it on this sand block right here so we can eat it. And to gather all of these resources, first let's get to the milk. To get the milk you will need buckets. To get the buckets you'll need iron ingots, and to get iron ingots you will need to get iron ore. It looks like this, so mine it, smelt the iron ore inside your furnace, get the iron ingots out of it, like this. You will need 3 of it. Move to your workbench, craft your bucket like this, so we have 4 of them. Now the hard part is to find the cow, and actually there's one right there, so let's go there. So move to the cow, be right next to it, and click on your right mouse button. That way you'll get a milk bucket, and repeat it 2 more times and you'll have 3. Next is the egg, and to get the egg you'll need to find the chickens. If you find the chickens, it's very easy to locate eggs. As you can see, they just lay anywhere right here. Next is a sugar, and to get a sugar you will need a sugar cane. I have them in my house right here, so let's take them. Simply mine it like this. Move to your workbench, you don't even need to, but for the purpose of this video I'll be using only workbench. Place it on in one place like this, and you'll get 2 sugars. Last thing is to get the wheat, and to do it you'll need to get the hoe, and hoe is this thing right here. You can use a stone, wood, whatever you want for it. Simply get 2 sticks and 2, for example, cobblestones. Now move to your workbench, place your sticks like this and the stone like this, that way you'll get a stone hoe. Now make some kind of a pool, or find a pool in the world, right click next to the pool, and that way you'll craft the farming pool or field, however you call it. Now make sure that it's next to the water, because it needs watering all the time. From here find the grass laying everywhere and simply start washing it till you find the seeds. Here's a seed. Now let's move to our farming pool and place it like this. And now after a day of waiting, in game day, you should get some wheat. And after all that, you should be ready to craft your own, or bake, or whatever, your own cake. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.